So guys, so I stumbled upon this problem that I can't go to the three towers. So what you'll need to do is just open your map, and as you can see, if you go to this street, you'll see only the towers. But you can go through this. So just add a waypoint, and you'll be able to see where you need to go. So I will show you this quickly. So you can go to these towers. Pretty much easy to do. Just find these stairs. As you can see, here you can take your skateboard and run quickly, and that's how you go to the three towers like this. You'll see this blue waypoint right here where it says follow the AR path to 3 points. Three towers, excuse me. And as you can see,
Speaking of
we
spots to die,
just
we call them pick a couple and try
reached
towers.
three towers. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.